Agus sin buatóir ná, the IFTA goes to Big City Park.
I don't know what to say. You know, they said prepare a speech, but we didn't expect to win against the Octonauts. We set out to achieve a show which was aiming to encourage our children to get outside and climb trees and be kids and experience nature and have fun. And we shot for 11 weeks outside against all the odds in a park in Belfast. I want to thank Sarah, who's my friend and co-exec producer in the show from BBC Scotland. It was a co-production, and they were the best guys to work with. Our crew, our cast, and our writers, they're the best in the world. I just want to say thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you.